GDP. Meghalaya Cabinet today approved the proposal for adoption of Ncert textbook based on certain modifications in certain subjects, which will be done by MBOS. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said in the coming academic year, the process is going to start. The Cabinet decided to allow the adaptation of the Ncert textbooks with necessary modification from class 1 to 10. The Chief Minister informed that in the first phase, MBOS will adopt Ncert textbooks for the subjects like English, Mathematics and Science for class 1 to class 10. Sangma said this decision is made in consultation with schools. The Cabinet also approved the permanent Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board.
Of the education quality needs to be brought up because our students need to compete at the national level, and hence keeping all of these factors in mind, we are doing this. We also understand that it is not simple, it will be challenging, and we all have to work together, but we need to start somewhere. If we keep waiting and holding on to a decision like this, then we will never see the changes and the reforms that we wish to take.
The State Cabinet today approved